Hi guys! Welcome to a new video. Today we will be exploring new fishing area. Well, showcasing. Please, and I'm not gonna have a long intro. So please like and subscribe. And that's it with the yacht. Okay, let's get started. I'm not broke boy anymore. So we're gonna want. I shouldn't have quit that one time. I'm so behind on my friends now. It's my best backpack, but I still do appreciate it. Let's see. See a backpack, flashlight. Just in case this. And we're gonna go get a fishing rod. Not the best fishing rod. That's a fishing rod. Oh yeah, if you ever want, recommend some ideas. Oh, I did not think this through. How do you open its mouth again? Oh God. What do we do? That was your imagination. Sorry guys, I was talking to my mom. Okay, I don't know how to open this up. Okay, I'm gonna cut the video really quick, and when I snap, I'm gonna be back. Okay, I'm back. I realized we have to get a dead fish, so this might take a while, but let's get to fishing. If you ever want to make a recommendation for I'm hooked. Just say in the comments. If I'm trying with my comments haven't been there. I think I fixed it though. So yeah, once my I don't think this is one. This one's a little bit harder. Dang it. Well, now we wait. I realize this isn't an alligator, it's a megalodon. One, two, three, give me a oh, that actually worked. This one might be a dead fish. So I'm moving on. Please don't give me a boot. Come on. Please. Yes. No. Yes. Come on! I suck at the thing. Sorry, guys. Yes! We got it. Yo! Okay, wait. Well, that didn't take too long. I hope. And let's whack it. Ugh. Well, instead, burn. Oh. Hey, look, I whacked it. Are there any entities in here? Oh, that looks like it. Let's fish him. Good. Oh, you're looking to kill me. Can I kill him? I can. No! I hate everything that I keep bringing up. Listen. Oh, I actually got. And I don't even know what it was. Let's blow up his mouth. Oh! I don't know where my fishing hook is currently. What? It's not letting go. Oh, there it is. No. But, okay. Another one. I'll be sure, boy. And no! Bruh. So unfair. Okay, so instead, we're gonna go back. We're a little bit stronger. Give me this. They'll never expect it. So that beast will never expect a giant banana to come and jump it. Now will it? I mean, it might. Can I even fit? Actually, I'm not gonna eat that one. Doesn't look like no. Fit. I fit. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. I can't make it. What? This is so down now. I can't see at all. Uh-oh. Okay, guys, I just realized my video wasn't recording. Well, we got everything we needed. So this dumb thing killed me. Oh no, I don't think y'all saw. I think y'all saw the fish. Yeah, we had to put in the fish now. I am so sorry. The video had to cut out. I'll try to showcase it after it's done. What's on there? I want to check it out, but I know I'm gonna die. I know it's a death trap. Curiosity too. Come on. Come on. And guys, we're gonna. Oh, there is one. Pretty sure if I get two down more, I can make it. So let's try to get back up. Oh, guys. Okay. Oh, we're back up here. No. Bye for daily. And company noob. Okay, bye, Mom. Love you. I can't get up. Okay, I'm up. Come on. Okay, guys. I'm in the infinite process of wheel. Yup, just wheel. Oh, it was that easy. I don't know why I didn't. Oh my gosh, I almost just got killed. I forgot my flashlight. Oh no. Haha, not getting me. What the? Please. Come on. I'm gonna make a post, guys, and if you see a video, you can. This video, you can. It's gonna be for. I'm gonna make a Q&A video. Sorry about how I didn't post the grid. My VR wasn't downloading the app. But I think I'll put it off. But so I'll post it soon. Ooh. Ooh, come on. It's just, yeah. I'll post the gorilla tag one soon. No. Don't worry, guys. I don't give up. I eat them. I'm not gonna let that thing kill me anymore. Let's bring a jar. Let's go. Oh, good. Here comes after the chips. We're here. We're gonna speed run this. And I'm also small again. Okay, I know what to do now. Dang it. What the? Where is it going? It's going crazy. So yeah, if you were wondering why I haven't been posting, it's because of that. Yeah. I'm killing all of these guys, bro. These guys. Why isn't this one killable? Yes, it's only the next stick, so. Oh yes, flashlight. I need this. Okay. Oh, let me and right here. Okay, so we're getting closer. Oh no. In the face. Actually, no, I don't want the cheese effect. They can only kill ones. Ease. Now what? Yes! We might need this later. And let's just get myself back up. And I missed by a full century. And that one was an Eon. That one wasn't here. Oh, oh, yo! Oh my god. No. And that one was a super Eon. Oh, come on. Okay, I'm actually doing it. Oh, I'm gonna actually crash. Okay, wait, dang it. Dang it. Okay guys, well, I don't know how I'm missing in this. My game is not up today. Ow. Stop knocking me back. So yeah. So far, what I rate this map would be about a 7, a 7.5. Not my favorite map, but it is definitely a cool map because you're in a megalodon. When I was little, I used to love megalodons. gonna shoot him. Actually, no. I'm gonna save this for later. Okay. This would be really... So there are entities in here. But only the face ones. Maybe not. Do these things attack? I don't know. Do they? Oh no. Oh no. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. What do I do? What the? They're calming. Okay, the heartbeat's on. Go, go. Am I actually here? We made it. Wait, if we wanna know if it's mouth, then we came out. Ooh. Why did poop blood? I think we should get that checked, bro. I don't think that's very. Yo, this is cool. Oh, where's my fish? No! We'll get a great chicken. No? That's a pretty cool map. Good farm. What's up there? Let's go. What's this? Oh, that was perfect. Yeah. Ooh, on. Oh, dang it. Q&A will be soon. The map was pretty good. The hard monsters, scary, yet fun. Pretty double map. I want to check out this one. I'm going to go back and I'll give its final rating. Ooh, let's go up. I feel very good. Alright, might as well check. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Come on. I make gorilla tag content for a living. Oh, I think there's a... No. No, why would I keep going the wrong way? Be controlled. Come on, him. Okay. One. Come on. How am I gonna get all the way up there? Oh my gosh. Oh my... No! Oh, come on. Yes. I'm up here. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. How do I set this mod with the hammer? Oh. Come on. Yeah, I think there's... Oh, dang it. Oh. I'm gonna explore a little bit more. How do y'all like this map if you've seen it? If only I could just stay a little bit longer. Wait, they have a fishing thing. Wait guys, the video might not be ending here. I have a feeling in an update later that open I don't want to like. What was y'all's? Yo, what was y'all's least favorite update? Also, comment, please. Name y'all's least favorite. Oh, dang! I thought that was the turn. Well, never mind, guys. As I was saying, name y'all's favorite and least favorite update. My favorite was probably the moon or the skiing update. And my least favorite was the lava. The lava was cool, but it was annoying. It was so hard to get research because the mines were filled with lava. Me and my friend crashing out because we could not make it. Okay. Oh, go back. Wee. And burn. AC camera. Me. Face me. Not ready. Oh. Okay, guys. Well, I guess I'll see. Wait, I don't want this to blind y'all. Okay, guys. I guess I will see y'all next video. And SK is our wait. Just kidding. Before I hop off for the day. Well, not the day, but before I hop off for the video, I have an announcement. For all my fans, which is not many, but if you want, I'm a small content creator, anyways. Wait, let me put it in. Okay, as I was saying, sorry about that. Wait, y'all can't even see through here. Y'all see? Nah. This will be my fan code. What the? Why do I keep lagging? This will be my fan code. SKVR4915. As I was saying. So, if you want, I'll be in this code sometimes. Y'all can say hi to me. And, yeah. And I'm gonna play on this Wii really quick. And I guess this is the end of the video. Please, once again, consider liking and subscribing. Now, SKVR's out! Shark! Shark! Shark!